We're here! We're here!
In my left side, you can see scientists that contribute to astronaut balloon. Yes ba? And that is, nagkalayo na siya sa mukha. Okay? Nag-expand sa atong
sorry. Down there at the center to look.
So, are you ready?
Wow.
So Philippines is the only planet that we Mars is one.
So many rings. Wow.
Uranus rotates sideways. This is, it rotates like a wheel on its.
Oh, kami na good. Wow. Wow! What is that?
Katiming sa mga nagsasabi.
Wow! Is that a real telescope? Is that a real one? Wow! Nag-video po. Hello, ate! Hello! Hello! Hi! Hi! Okay kayo. Sige, apas ka.